Hey guys, it's me again, the Nocturnal Voti, back for another unboxing video. Today, samahan nyo ako mag-unbox ng isang package na nabili natin sa Orange app ng discounted price. So this will be my next travel companion sa upcoming trip ko sa Taiwan this upcoming September. So huwag na nating patagalin, i-unbox na natin. This is the Anker Prime 101 gun charger with 3 ports, 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A. So this is capable of charging all of your devices at once. It can charge your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or even Windows Ultrabooks all at once. Kasama ang inyong iPad or phone, or even your USB or earbuds. So tara, i-unbox na natin at tanggalin na natin sa kanyang packaging. So ang gandahan dito guys is it's equipped with the GaN technology, which means it's more efficient and less heat ang kanyang na-generate. Syempre, na-squeeze nila sa mas maliit na package compared sa other bulky chargers na mas magandang features. Syempre, tingnan natin ang itsura. Ito na. Napaka-sleek at minimalist. Basta pag-anchor talaga. Straight to the point at very high quality materials ang ginagamit. So ayan guys, tingnan nyo naman oh. So kung interested kayo guys na mag-purchase nitong item na to, ililink ko yung kanilang item sa aking basket. Yun lang guys, thank you, like and follow for more.